Do you like that? That's a nice toy you have there. Oh, yeah. Look at you. This is the first time you've played with a toy all by yourself. What a sweet baby. Oh, you love that. You can get your hands all the way around it. That's a good baby. What do you think? Charlie? Huh? Do you like that? Hi. Hi, baby. Little Charlie. Oh, my darling boy. Look at you go. Oh, wow. Can you do that? Oh, yeah? A little heavy maybe, huh? Oh, is that a little bit heavy for you? It's a two-hander. Yeah, now you've got it. Good boy. Yeah, very impressive. And you've got those bubbles coming out of your mouth too. That's great. Oh, more bubbles. That's impressive. Oh, happy baby. Yes, a good boy. Aww. Your little feet are empty. That's like a baby boy. Aww. I love you.